Hi there, this is Bob Burridge, and I thought it was time for another pep talk. Boy, I know we're stuck in our studio. Yay, that's great. But one of the things I was thinking about is creative painters, and I discovered that they all seem to have the same creative habits. And I made some notes here, and I would like to read you the 6 habits of creative painters. Number 1, first of all, you want to do new work, new creative work. That's the first thing. You'd be surprised. Some people don't even think about that. I want to really create new works. Write it down. I want to do new works, not the same old, right? And the other one was they have confidence. Confidence that they know they're the closest thing to this painting, and they're the ones, and they have all the facilities to do it right now. So confidence is a big thing. If you're kind of wishy-washy, you're going to do wishy-washy kinds of paintings. I think you know what I'm talking about. Humility, oh boy, that's a big one. Don't think you know it all. In fact, that's one of the things that I love about painting is because I'm constantly learning new things. So be pretty humble and be open-minded. That's the other one. Be open-minded for new ideas. If you see something that's exciting, try it, all right? This is, again, part of the creative habits of creative painters, all right? Energy. This is not the time to be sitting on the sofa and lazy in your studio. Get up there and get going. Have the energy. Take all your vitamins, but make sure that this is not the time if you've got some aches and pains. Take those aspirins, take your meds, and get into that studio and get off that sofa. And of course, action. That's the last thing. Action. Do it now, not tomorrow. I'll write it down and maybe I'll do it later. Action now. So be excited. Be enthusiastic about your work. And mostly be curious and be exploring through the whole process. And remember, you're the mad scientist. So to be a creative painter, do more creative work. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Bob Burridge, and I hope you've enjoyed this pep talk. Hi there, this is Bob Burridge, and I have some great news to tell you. Hey, we're going to Guatemala, and we want you to join us. It's pretty easy. It's wonderful. I've done this before, and thank goodness I'm going back again. I just can't wait to do it. Think about the culture, the Mayan culture, the sculptures, the buildings, the peoples, their colors, their food, the haciendas. We are staying in great places, by the way, down there. And the people and the culture is all around us. I just remember being in one of the big open squares, and my entire class was painting, and I looked up and it was the entire school let out just to surround us. The love and the companionship, and certainly the colors. It was so inspirational. So I just wanted to invite you there again to sign up now, because you don't want to miss this opportunity. I cannot wait to get back there again. So go to my website, robertburridge.com. I'll see you in Guatemala.